Books. Firstly, he should select a book on the basis of his interest. Like if there's a person who
of sentence, but he doesn't read any book. Uh,
because when we read books we find lots of new vocabularies, new structures, new sentences. That time we can use
the story, any cat, any dog, how to dramas in a story. Then hello,
Hello everyone, I'm Zaid.
hello. My name is Neha.
Today we are here to discuss about the topic book. So what is book? Book is a collection of pages with words that tell a story and it gives us the information. It can be a fun story, real story, or a guide to help learn. My question is how what is the importance of book in our life?
Book is most important part of our life because we can learn anything. Firstly, we help me book. If anyone one person want to learn any book, firstly uh, something we should care. For example, if any new vocabulary come, then he try to mix lots of sentences, and any new sentences coming in any book, they should care this thing. And my question is, if any one person want to learn uh, 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 which word uh, which word uh, which word should care.
If there's a person who wants to read books, firstly he should select a book on the basis of his interest. Like if there's a person who didn't select a book with his interest, so he didn't when he read books, so he didn't like that time while reading he didn't enjoy, he will not enjoy, and that's why firstly we should select a book on the basis of our interest.
Like, I mean,
Yes, I have a question that what is the benefit of reading books?
lots of benefit of books. I'm giving some tips like uh, uh, if any one person makes lots of sentences, but he doesn't read any book, they cannot improve in his life. Uh, he he has to help any book, because they read book, then improve and improvement and new vocabulary, new sentences, and new grammatical proportion coming. That's why they should care this thing. My question is if uh, but I'm saying something like, but if any one person depend on thought, like any student, first standard, second standard depend on thought, like some small story, like first and second year small story, like interesting story, like he This is a story, any cat, any dog, how to dramas in a story. Then they a student want to learn easily, but if suddenly uh, suddenly any scientist book they can they he can he speaks and and reading suddenly, but they cannot they will they want to read easily because this story not interesting for you. They want he won't understand anything because this story would be not interesting. That's why depend on thoughts they can learn about that knowledge. My question is what is benefit of reading books nowadays?
Like there are lots of benefits of reading books. In my perspective, I would like to say that if we read books, we should read books daily, because when we read books we find lots of new vocabularies, new structures, new sentences. That time we can use the while speaking, while talking to someone, while communication. It's play a very much role, and it is also improve our communication skills. Like if we are introvert and we don't know how to talk to someone, so it teaches us that how we have to answer the animal questions, and how we have to talk to someone properly. And second is, when we read books, so that time we reduces our stress and feeling relaxed. That's why we should read books. And when we read books, so we learn lots of things. Like if we read books, if we read any book, so we learn something new. And when we learn something new, so we implement anywhere, and etc.
Have you any question?
uh, no, but I would like to say, I would like to ask you that which book do you read, and like which story do you read?
Depend on person. If any one person depend on lots of student, lots of person uh, they want to learn interesting story type, like dramas, like any historical places, uh, and any student want to moral story, want to learn moral story, this thing. But I would like to say, if any person want to learn this way, they they would they would be continue this thing 100% changes, like writing, reading, and grammatically, and lots of improvement. uh, that's why they should do this thing continue, uh, etc.
Do you have any question?
No, I have no any question.
Thank you for listening to us.
Thank